Hi there. So today I decided to switch out my old graphics card for a new graphics card. I have it all apart now, and a new fan system here, and this is the old graphics card. This was here holding it on, actually like that. Power supply's right here, and by the way, they didn't tell you you have to have this little clip right here. You have to actually push down on the clip to open it. So two screws that go right there, and that's your that's what's holding it on. I had this funny little enclosure here which was covering up that part, so I couldn't actually see that. So I had a little bit of trouble getting that one off, but that was on top of here holding this piece on, like so. Once I got that off, then I was able to take those screws off there and make sure you press this clip in here. It just takes a little nudge and the clip comes off and it slides right out. And look how dirty this thing is. Ta-da! That's probably why it was kind of overheating. I'm gonna spray it out and see how much dust it actually has. Now, I think I probably should have done that earlier. MSI Radeon RX580. It's an 8GB graphics card. OTV Technologies for about 300 bucks. So the price is right. 8GB, VR ready. This is a really fantastic card. However, it only has one fan. Let's open it up. Fancy packaging. This is the software that's in there. I don't need it, and some documentation. Wow, this is really beautiful. And there it is. Pretty simple looking. Ta-da! Look at that thing. Amazing technology, I tell you. So it's going to go in like this, just the same as the other one. It is actually smaller than the old one, but a little bit more compact. Oh yeah, and we have these things here have to come off, the covers. We only need one of them, but there's four. And that's the one we need right there. That's our HDMI. So we will just toss that aside for now. And this also has a protective covering. And that is going to come off and reveal the power. It's in, just like that. It is now operational. It just needs power. The tricky thing is getting this to snap closed. Oh, that was easy. Pinky finger, pull it back, and it's in, just like that. Woohoo! We're in business. It even lines up perfectly. I just have to screw that in. has to stay like that. Don't move. That is awesome. Inside. So the pulse gets in, but really pressure. There we go. There, it's in. The only thing left is to power it. I got 6 pins here. This is going to be different. It's 6. That one's 8. I hope this works. So after a little bit of research, this is what we've done. We've had to take this 2-pin, plug that in. I had to turn this thing around a little bit to make it actually get in there, and then snap that in, and we're in business. This should work. But you get the idea. There's another 6-pin right there, and just this 2-pin right here, which was a lucky find, which was right beside it. So hopefully this works. It's all in now. So my God. Thought it was going to be a little bit easier, but this is a learning experience for all of us. Firstly, this fancy thing here. That's not good. These here. Go with this. So nothing's inside. Just like that. Let's press the power button. Hopefully, let's see what happens. I see a white light though. What's this? Is that graphics? Oh. Windows update. Obviously it's working. Now to install drivers and test out some games.